Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to do a cook with me for today's weekly meal prep. And starting off, we're going to start off with rice. This is the box of rice that I use when I'm making my white rice for my meals. I love this box and this rice because it tastes really good and you don't really have to do much with it, and it cooks in 10 minutes, which makes it a very quick and easy access, and it's great. Now that our rice is cooked and done, we can go ahead and cut it up. It has a bunch of holes in it to air it out, and it makes it very easy for you to cut it up. I do also have these meal prep bowls that I got from Walmart. They come in a set of 3 or 5, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's 3. And they're very great for portioning and portion control. I'm just going to go ahead and open that box and open the bag, and pour some in there. One bag typically can make up to two and a half days worth of rice in each bowl. So I really like that. It helps me portion control to make sure I don't overeat, especially when it comes to rice because of all their starch. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I just wanted to show you guys how much rice can fit in each bowl and how much rice I put in my bowls, just to give me some control and portion sizing. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pour some of my corn on there. This week I'm using corn as my vegetable to put on top of my bed of rice. It just helps to add a different vegetable each week, so then you don't get tired of one vegetable. And the corn works really well with the rice, and it just helps to tie everything together. Sometimes I'll stir it up with the rice, but most times I'll just stir it up when I'm eating. And I really, really love it. And yes, get you some sweet corn, sis. Now I have some very well seasoned pepper chicken that I'm going to use as my meat for this week. And I'm going to put it on the side of my rice and just collaborate it all together so that I can have some zest. I also like to put some sweet and sour sauce on top of my rice. I don't put too much. I just drizzle some on top. It just helps to give it a lot of flavor because I don't put salt on my rice. I also like to add honey. Honey really is the key to making sure that you don't eat too much sweet, and to also give the rice some flavor and all your meals some flavor. So I highly, highly suggest using honey if you're trying to get something sweet. Like I previously stated, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of my sweet and sour sauce and pour it on top. And just a little bit. Don't overdo it and make it to the point that you feel like it's excessive and it just defeats the purpose. It's just to help give it a little bit of a sweet taste, so you're not just eating dried rice or you're not adding butter on top of your rice. And also mixing it with the honey helps to give it more sweetness as well. So then everything just collaborates and then you can taste just chef's kiss. Muy bueno. And now for my favorite side to eat, yams. I love yams, y'all. I love yams. As you can see, I am pouring the yams into the pot to warm it up on the stove. And y'all, yams really is the best. It's great for protein. It'll help to get your booty bigger. It's just really a superior thing. And I'm going to add some honey. As y'all know, I'm a sponsor for honey and everything sweet in life. So I'm going to add a little bit of honey into the yams to make it a little bit sweeter. But it'd be a healthier, sweeter option instead of putting sugar or anything in it. And it's just so good. Yams are just amazing. Yams are definitely top 10 in the top 10 best food groups God gave us, because girl, listen, get you some yams. Get you some yams so you have some yams on that booty, okay? I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of how everything looks as of right now. I do meal prep for every 3 days because I can't eat the same thing every day. Now I'm going to make some smoothies. I have these smoothie jars that I got from Walmart. They were a big pack and they all have the days on it. And I also have my blender that I got from Walmart, and it was for $8 or $10. Next, I'm going to put some spinach. We have bananas. We have our frozen fruits, also from Walmart. And we're just going to go ahead and make some smoothies. And Dan Active is my favorite yogurt to use when I'm making smoothies and just for being healthy all around. Apple cider vinegar, y'all, is the very key to having a sustained stomach. I use these two brands. This is my go-to brand, and then I'm trying out the Big Jar. I'm trying out that brand for the first time, and it was actually pretty good. Almond milk as well. First, we're also going to add some honey because, again, I'm a honey sponsor, and add some vanilla extract just to make it sweet and ready to go. Starting off the smoothie with some spinach. Spinach is the key. I have read that it is important to steam your spinach as well as your kale to make sure that it's safe and not to just take it out of the pack and use it immediately. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some spinach in a bowl and put it in the microwave to have it steamed. Now that I have the spinach in the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and get it steamed up and put it in the microwave. Y'all see how much spinach there is? Once it's done, it's not going to be that much. Next, I'm going to go ahead and open up my blender and add in the frozen fruits. And this bag of frozen fruits, if you watch my last grocery haul video, you'll see which brand. It's a Walmart brand. It's amazing. It helps to make a lot of smoothies for me. And it tastes really good. So I highly recommend it. And now that we have it in there, we're going to add our yogurt to the blender mix. It just helps to make it sweeter and to give you all of the benefits that yogurt gives you. Next, we're going to add apple cider vinegar, my least favorite thing to drink in this world. I would literally rather drink anything else. But apple cider vinegar has so many health benefits to it if you're unaware. And vanilla extract to help to neutralize the apple cider vinegar taste, which, trust me, girl, you're going to need that because apple cider vinegar is so strong. So anything that can help to make it sweeter will change your life, okay? We're going to add a whole banana in there. Bananas are just so good. I would just really rock with bananas, you know? Nanners are the key, okay? And we are back to my favorite object, honey. Yes, sis. We're going to squirt all that honey up in there. Make it sweet. Rock with it. Lean with it. Yes. Just pour it up. Pour it up. Pour it up. Pour it up. Just add all the honey that your heart desires. I'm just kidding. Portion your honey intake as well. Don't overdose like I do. But yes, honey is wonderful. Took a little apple snack break. I like to freeze my fruits, literally every single fruit. So I had some frozen apples that I was snacking on while I was making it. Now I'm going to add my almond milk into there. And yeah. Now that my spinach is all steamed up and ready to go, do y'all see how little it turned into? That bowl was full. I hate spinach, bro. They're so deceiving. But I'm going to go ahead and add that into my smoothie mixer now. And that should be the final step. And we're just going to blend it all together and repeat that step to make a whole week's worth of smoothies to drink every single day. And yeah, I'm really honestly so annoyed about how much spinach I put in there for it to turn that small. Spinach is the worst. Now we're going to top it all up and blend that thing. Okay, make sure your thing is fully tight and closed. You do not want stuff spilling out. And we're just going to shake it a little bit to blend everything together. And we're going to let the blenders do its job. And we're going to have ourselves some smoothies. Now everything is all blended up. As you can see, it does look weird, but I promise you it tastes really good. We're going to pour everything into our mason jar now, and we're going to just repeat this process until we have all of our mason jars filled up for the rest of the week. I do recommend writing the days of the week on your jars so you can know whether or not you missed a day and you can drink it up. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's go on this fitness journey together. Have a great rest of your day and share.